That's basic Frank's, but you gotta add butter, and I do like honey, lime, all that. Or get that. It's so much easier and less effort, isn't it? There it is. Or Newman's own ranch dip. Celery and a lime. Grab a lime. Coriander and a chilli, yeah. One lime, one. We kind of want to do like more cooking stuff in the videos, just because we all eat lunch anyway. So basically what we're going to do is every Monday we're filming and we're going to start doing some food segments. And this week we're doing chicken wings. So get chicken wings. They come in like the flat and the drumette. So I always split them. And then they're just going in a bowl. The best way to get wings crispy is to like dry them off, because they're always like a bit wet. So if you get rid of a lot of the water, then they're going to crisp up a bit better. Get some flour, or corn flour is even better. So we've got corn flour. Just sprinkle a bit of this in, because that'll soak up any moisture. A lot of people season wings before they cook them. It's like you just don't really get that much out of it. That sauce is intense. So I feel like anything you do to the wings before the sauce goes on, like the sauce is just going to overpower anyway. It will make marginal difference, but it doesn't matter. We're doing easy mode today. Air fryer, just split them in half. In. And then we're gonna do 10 minutes and then toss them. Next step, this actually doesn't require a lot of doing, like that's doing that. We don't really have to do anything else. We're just gonna have celery, and then we've got to prep the garnish. So we've got the ranch dressing, but like I said in the last one, if you put it in a squeezy bottle and can draw a nice little pattern, then it looks way better. People eat with their eyes, don't they? We've got Andy's Tory hummus. So we're gonna have that with some of them and some of them.
Be all right.
Be right. Making a nice little picnic. Right, garnish them. I'm gonna try and get that in there. But it's been a bit of a prick. I didn't see that. Clean up on aisle 4, please. Messy pup. A bit of chilli. Could go a bit more, but I don't want to overcook them.
Yeah, it's banging.
That looks good. And then, Frank's, get the buffalo sauce. So dump that all in, squeeze lime, bit of coriander, salt, and then just a big fat toss. Yeah, if you like that. Bit more fresh coriander. Do you know what? I will do sesame seeds. Just because it looks cool. A couple of fresh chilies. Fire. Wings. Done. That's the best plate of food ever.
Wings just go so heavy, don't they?
My take on easy buffalo wings. That literally was no effort, no prep. Done. And that will probably be better than 99% of wings you eat. Isn't that right, Andy?
Yeah.
Come and test one, actually. Tell me what you reckon.
That one?
Oh! Down the hand.
You cook them wings to perfection, to be honest with you.
These are actually so good. The technique.